going to learn about our topic number 34, octal to decimal conversion. So let's move on. Octal to decimal conversion. So in the previous video, we have learned about that how to convert a decimal value, or we can say decimal number, into an octal number. Now in this video, we are going to learn about that how to convert an octal number into a decimal number. So let's look at number system. So as we have learned from the number system is that number system has been classified into four categories, that is decimal number system, binary number system, octal number system, and hexadecimal number system. Okay, so what we have learned about the binary number system and we can say decimal number system is that we know about the range of its, we know about the base of its, that the base of decimal number is 10, that the base of binary number is 2, that the base of octal number is 8, and that the base of hexadecimal number is 16. Now, we have also talked about that how to convert a decimal number into a binary number, and we have talked that how to convert a binary number into a decimal number. And in the previous video, we have learned that how to convert a decimal into an what we can say octal number. Now in this video, we are just going to learn about how to convert an octal number into a decimal number. Okay, so let's look at this. Octal to decimal conversion. So I have a question for you that we have to convert this octal number into a decimal number. Okay, so we know that the base of octal number is 8, therefore this number is referring here is an octal number. Okay, and because its range is from 0 to 7, therefore this number is also an octal number system, or we can say octal number. And we have to convert this octal number into a decimal number. So let's look at how we can calculate it. So the rule says us that you have to multiply the number with the base of octal number, that is 8, with the position of that number. Okay, the rule says us that we have to multiply that number with the base of octal number, that is 8, to the power of its position. Okay, so here you can see that this is 31 is that number. We have to convert it into a decimal number, and this is an octal number. So what and how we can do? The rule says us that we have to multiply this number with the base of octal number, that is 8 to the power its position. Okay, so here we are just doing it, and what after that, add all the terms. Okay, so here you are seeing that I have that value, that is 1, which is multiplying with the base of an octal number, that is 8, and whose power is 0. So this number has a position 0, or we can say this number has an index 0. Therefore, I am multiplying the base of octal number, that is 8 to the power 0. And this number has index 1, or we can say this number has a position 1. Therefore, I am multiplying it with the base of an octal number, that is 8, with the position 1. Okay, so after calculating this term, we are multiplying the 1 into 8 power 0 is 1, something to the power 0 is 1. Something to the power 0 is 1, that is so. Therefore 1 into 1 is 1. 8 to the power 1 is 8 into 3, that is 24. So after adding these all terms, we are getting the decimal number, that is 35. So this is the decimal number. So we can say that our octal number has been converted into a decimal number. So this is how you need to follow these steps for calculating an octal number for calculating octal number into a decimal number, that you are seeing here that the octal number, that the decimal number of this octal number is here, you are seeing that is 25. Now move for the another example, that how to convert an octal number which is a fractional octal number into a decimal number. Okay. So here I have a question that we have to convert this number which is a fractional octal number, and we have to convert this fractional octal number into a decimal number system. So how we will proceed it? Let's look at. So you are seeing that this is a decimal point. So we have to do two things. First, we have to calculate this number which is the right of this decimal value, and we have to calculate this number which is the right of this decimal, which is the left of this decimal value. Okay, so just we are calculating it. We have to convert an octal number into a decimal number, and here you are seeing that this is an octal number, this is a fractional octal number, and we have to convert it into a decimal number. So, and we know that the rule, we have to multiply with the base of octal number, that is 8, with the base of octal number, that is 8, to the power of its position. So 7 here and its position is 0, or we can say its index is 0 here, and this number has an index 1 here. This number has an index minus 1 here. Okay, this number has an index minus 1 here. Okay, now I am just calculating it. Here you are seeing that I am just calculating this value, that is 7 multiplied by 8 to the power 0, because 7 has a position 0, therefore I am multiplying it with the base of the octal number, that is 8 to the power 0. So 7 multiplied with 8 to power 0 is 7. Okay, after that I am multiplying 4 into 8 to power 1. So 8 to the power 1 is 8. So 8 multiplied by 4 is 32. Okay. Therefore I am just adding these all terms, and here you are seeing left of this decimal value I am multiplying it with the 8 whose power is minus 1, because it is the left side and it is the decrement side, and this is the increment side. Okay. Therefore I am using minus 1 here. So 8 to the power minus 1 is something like 1 by 8 to the power 1. So after dividing 6 by 8, we are getting 0.75 here. So after calculating these terms, we are getting 39.75, which is the decimal number. So this is how we can convert the fractional octal number into a fractional decimal number, or we can say to convert an octal number into a decimal number. So this is all about that how to convert an octal number into a decimal number. So thanks for watching.